In Latvia, we had a big dream: to light up the sky with 500 drones all flying together in formation. Planned and practiced, hoping to create something special. But you can never order the weather in Riga. The loud thunder and flashes of lightning made us wonder if we could even go with the show on that day. We didn't just want to do the show, but we wanted to make sure it was safe for our drones and everyone watching. And then a small window of opportunity opened up. As the drones lifted off, the sky did something amazing. The lightning lit up the clouds in the background, adding a magical touch to our drone display. It felt like the whole universe was putting on a show with us. What seemed like a problem at first turned out to be a blessing. Our team, our drones, and nature itself all came together for a show that Latvia, and maybe even the whole world, will remember for a long time.